Hi, welcome to Kelly's Creations. I'm Kel, and this is our 100th episode. In case you've missed some of the others, this is one of my greatest furniture builds. Built this table and chairs, glass top table, little labor intensive. Had to contact a good friend of mine, Cindy Loudon, who also was in the furniture building industry. She talked me through a couple little problems we had, got that worked out. And this is another one of my favorites, the faux leather chairs. Little difficult, but got two of those built in about an hour. Pretty impressive. So, for today's episode, we're going to be building end tables, but before we do, we need to know some safety information. Hard hat. Bolt comes flying. It could hurt. Safety hat is important. Snug fitting. Gloves. Get splinters, blood blister. Your husband will never hear the end of it. And eyewear. I choose to go with the tinted ones. They're better. So, now, I like to sit down when I'm doing my build. Go through our necessary tools. We have our standard hammer, the pliers. This tinted glasses make it a little hard to see, folks. The gloves make it a little hard to work. Hammer is super important. Tape measure. You gotta have a tape measure. We have some pokey things. Probably never use these. And these pinchy things. And a knife. A knife is always important. Pinchy things and needle nose things, they do come in handy from time to time. Those are adjustable. You can see they've never been out of the wrapper. I'm that good. So, we're going to get our toolkit set up. And this is what our build is today. We are building 2 end tables. It says no tools needed. Never, ever listen to that. Always have your tools at hand. So we're going to work on these today. As you can see, here's our finished project. I did one earlier. A couple little mishaps, but I'd say it turned out good. It's pretty sturdy. So, this is what we have. We have 2 pieces of wood. We have 4 plastic things that put it together. Then we have these 4 smaller plastic things, which these will be the legs. Okay, see these? Cameraman, are you zooming? Are we zooming? Thank you. So, try and keep all your trash contained to one area. Makes cleanup a little bit easier. The instructions. No one wants those. We pay no attention to those. Ladies and gentlemen, you're smart enough to do this by yourself. So, we're going to start with table number 1, okay, with just board number 1. Make sure your gloves are on tightly. Very important. Okay, we're going to do this like so. This is where the gloves come in handy, blood blisters. You may not think it's a big deal when it happens, but you'll regret it later. Rotate as you put the legs on. You want the maximum amount of leverage when you're putting these on. I pre-threaded these before the show. But if you have a threading machine, and I don't mean a sewing machine, you can thread your own plastic pieces. And Take a break if you need to. It's okay. Pause the video and come back. We'll still be here. Then we are going to take this piece labeled as number 2. Don't get frustrated if you don't get it on the first try. You will eventually get it. Then we have the legs. Once again, snug and tight. You don't want your table falling over when you have a lamp on it. And rotating. My arm is tired. I sometimes inspect my pieces. Make sure my threading's correct. And the last one. Stay with me, folks. We're almost there. It's all sturdy. Yeah. We're good. And this is where you can use your pinchers, you can use whatever you want, and just do this a little bit on it. 2 sides is all it takes. Well, folks, there you have it, the build of the week. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.